Excited ba kayo? Alright, here we go. The first candidate na pasok sa ating top 5 is candidate number... I heard it, you're right.
Sino?
It's candidate number 7, Pura Marian de la Cruz Arellano.
The next candidate to make it to the top 5 is candidate number 9, San Manuel Fria Vida Alonso.
Your prayers have been answered. Candidate number 6, Capas Alessandra Peralta David. This is so exciting. This is my favorite part. The energy is up and we're so excited. Let's go, Nicole.
Plus the suspenseful music pa. And then now we have 2 spots remaining. And it goes to candidate number 13, Concepcion Ira Clement Canlas. One spot left
and I'm so excited. Excited pa kayo? Pasok ka sa huling spot. Candidate number 11, Tarlac City, Diana Kylie Manuel.
We have Tarlac Province. This is your top 5. Thank you so much, ladies, for giving us your best efforts. You had such a beautiful journey. And now we don't have time to breathe anymore because we will go straight to your final question. Global issues such as climate change, gender inequality, and mental health are becoming increasingly urgent. If you were given the power to create one global initiative that would address these issues, what would it be and how would you ensure its success?
I believe that the result of this action is to have education, because education is a powerful tool to solve any social issues that we have right now. As a candidate for Binibining Kanlahi, I will serve an inspiration. I will share my stories regarding education, that education is the powerful tool to change our world. Thank you so much.
All right, thank you very much, Binibining Pura. Thank you.
All right, that's really nerve-wracking. You know, you have all these people waiting for you to answer. Do you have experience in this?
Yeah, and definitely, the hardest part about this common question thing is talagang mako-compare yung question, yung sagot na ibibigay mo.
Exactly.
Talagang same metric eh, parang level yung gameplay niyong lahat.
Because I was able to enter top 5. And I would like to take this opportunity to thank my family and the LGU of San Manuel, and also to Team Justified and Nico Fight. Thank you so much.
All right, thank you very much. Okay, now here is your final question. I will read it to you, okay? Global issues such as climate change, gender inequality, and mental health are becoming increasingly urgent. If you were given the power to create one global initiative that would address these issues, what would it be and how would you ensure its success? Okay, I'll repeat the question. Global issues such as climate change, gender inequality, and mental health are becoming increasingly urgent. If you were given the power to create one global initiative that would address these issues, what would it be and how would you ensure its success?
Thank you.
As a proud Tarlakenyo, I've always wanted to make a contribution for change and to achieve a goal. And my goal is to promote the awareness of mental health. As I myself experienced to be in that kind of situation, I want them to know that there's someone who's going to be their helping hand, to be their stepping stone in order for them to look forward and aim for a brighter future. Because I've always believed that if there is someone who's going to stand firm for them, just like me, then they will be able to look forward and pursue all the dreams that they are aiming for their future. Because I've always believed that with the help of someone, as long as you were able to give them that hope, then there is power to that. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. Met the time.
Yes, just in time, just when the bell rang. Thank you so much.
We have 10 seconds, right,
Yes.
to answer after
So that was
the
candidate
bell.
number 9. Now, calling upon candidate number 6. How are you feeling tonight, candidate number 6?
It's definitely feeling blissful that I have all my supporters, my family, and my friends. They are truly the one who fueled me to be here. Thank you so much.
I love it, blissful. Okay, so here is your final question, candidate number 6. Global issues such as climate change, gender inequality, and mental health are becoming increasingly urgent. If you were given the power to create one global initiative that would address these issues, what would it be and how would you ensure its success? One more time. Global issues such as climate change, gender inequality, and mental health are becoming increasingly urgent. If you were given the power to create one global initiative that would address these issues, what would it be and how would you ensure its success?
I would make a campaign called Rise Up. And that campaign is something that I would look forward to. It is a campaign that together with the Tarlakenyos, with our collective efforts, we could make a difference towards our global issues. And as a Tarlakenya, not just an individual, but with the more than 400,000 Tarlakenyos, we could make Tarlac Province, our lalawigan, a better place for the world. And that is what I wanted to showcase to the universe, that we are united despite our diversity. Maraming salamat po at magandang gabi.
Thank you very much, candidate number 6.
Thank you so much, Binibining Kapas. Number 13, ladies and gentlemen. Hi, candidate number 13. How are you feeling tonight?
I feel really grateful that I'm in the top 5. And I'm just really grateful also to my team and backstage and my supporters.
All right, congratulations for making it this far. Kindly get to your question.
Kindly pick me.
Ako na. Sobrang kabahan ako dito.
Pick me, please, to give you the final question. Here is your question, okay? Global issues such as climate change, gender inequality, and mental health are becoming very urgent. If you were given the power to create one global initiative that would address these issues, what would it be and how would you ensure its success?
Can you
Repeat it. Global issues such as climate change, gender inequality, and mental health are becoming increasingly urgent. If you were given the power to create one global initiative that would address these issues, what would it be and how would you ensure its success?
If I would be given the chance to make a global initiative in order to combat these issues and in order to address these issues, I would call it Mayakit. And it is a word that says to see or to be visible. And I want to instill this, I want to make this initiative in order to make it a successful one, I want to reach out to the global organizations for it to be visible. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 13. Okay, sometimes, it matters a lot that you fight until the very end.
Exactly. Let's leave it to the candidates because I think they're better at this. So
Yes,
here we
and
go.
we wish you luck, candidate number 11, our
Yes.
last candidate.
But let
to
me
face-
first ask, how are you feeling tonight, candidate number 11?
I feel once again very grateful and I'm happy to be a part of the top 5. This is already such a huge accomplishment for me, my team, and all of the people who supported me. So thank you so much.
Well, congratulations, Binibining 11, for making it this far.
Binibini 11, here is your final question. Global issues such as climate change, gender inequality, and mental health are becoming increasingly urgent. If you were given the power to create one global initiative that would address these issues, what would it be and how would you ensure its success?
I believe that we all have pressing problems within, not only in the Philippines, but also in the global community. So I believe that it cannot be one single step to change the world. I believe that we should take this step by step carefully and making sure that everyone is taking a part of the initiative. Especially in this type of celebration, we should be able to address issues such as this. And I believe that the first initiative that we should all take is have the same goal despite our differences, because the beauty in life is within its people. Good evening, Tarlac Province.
Thank you very much, candidate number 11.
Thank you so much.
And the crowd goes to